The investment world is experiencing a quiet revolution. Tokenization of real-world assets, such as real estate, commodities, and even art, is transforming how investors access and trade traditionally illiquid markets. Tokenization means converting ownership rights of a physical asset into digital tokens on the blockchain. Each token represents a fraction of the asset, allowing investors to buy and sell portions instead of the entire unit. This process increases accessibility. Instead of needing large capital to purchase property or gold, smaller investors can participate with lower entry points. This democratizes investment and broadens market participation. Another benefit is liquidity. Traditionally, assets like real estate are difficult to sell quickly. With tokenization, investors can trade digital shares of these assets on regulated platforms, reducing barriers and creating secondary markets. Regulatory clarity is improving. Europe and the US are developing frameworks for asset-backed tokens, ensuring compliance while unlocking innovation. This signals that tokenization is moving from concept to mainstream practice. Tokenization bridges the gap between traditional finance and blockchain. By increasing accessibility, liquidity, and transparency, it reshapes the way investors think about ownership and opportunity. Investors can diversify their portfolios more easily through tokenization. By owning fractions of various assets, they spread risk and tap into different markets without overwhelming capital commitments. The technology behind tokenization enhances security and traceability. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, reducing fraud and ensuring that ownership is clear and unambiguous. Trading schedules are also more flexible with tokenized assets. Investors can engage in transactions 24/7, unlike traditional markets that operate on limited hours. As acceptance grows, more platforms are emerging to support tokenized assets, offering various investment opportunities to users worldwide. Education around blockchain and tokenization is essential for investors. Understanding these concepts will empower them to navigate the evolving financial landscape. In conclusion, tokenization is not just a trend, it represents a fundamental shift in how we view assets and investment opportunities. This shift holds the promise of creating a more inclusive financial system,